The splendor of the Vajra sun's great brilliance refers to the magnetizing deities' activities. Vajra is a term used to describe their indestructible quality. The Vajra sun's great brilliance is a metaphor for the indestructible wisdom of the magnetizing deities. What are these activities? With the sun-like brilliance of their indestructible wisdom, they can dispel wrong views, negative thoughts, and all the darkness of ignorance that hinders sentient beings from attaining enlightenment. The minds of people are deeply afflicted by the darkness of ignorance. Many do not have the power to tame their own mental afflictions, nor do they possess the ability to benefit sentient beings through the Dharma. If these people can devoutly pray to the magnetizing deities, by virtue of the blessing that they receive, the darkness of ignorance in their mind stream can be swiftly dispelled, and their Dharma practice, along with their other Dharma propagating activities, can progress smoothly.